So how do you erase your lost iPhone? Let's get started. So if you ever happen to lose your iPhone, you can use a different iPhone, iPad, or any device where you can log in with the same Apple ID. So let's say that you have another iPhone with the Apple ID, with the same one. On that phone, you can look up the Find My application and there locate the other phone on the map. So you will see all of the latest information about it, like when was the last known location of the battery and so on. But if you select the iPhone like that, you will have the ability to, of course, mark it as a lost phone or whatever. But at the bottom entirely, we have the erase this device. And you can see that this is what you need to do in case you don't really find your phone to protect your data. So you can do that from like a long distance, and you can clean like that from afar. So just perform the step. You will likely need to confirm your identity or type in some sort of password, but once you do that, the process should be done and it should run smoothly. So I would really appreciate if you let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I will catch you later in the next videos.